Mass Save Rebates can help you save thousands of dollars on your ductless installation. Hi, I'm Reid from N.E.T.R here, and in today's episode of Discovering Ductless, I'm going over this incredible financial incentive and how to make it work for you. To fight climate change, Massachusetts has set a goal to reduce carbon emissions by 50% by 2030. By providing financial incentives for switching to ductless, the Mass Save program makes energy-efficient heating and cooling more accessible to home and business owners like you. So how much money can you get? For a whole home heat pump system that replaces your existing fossil fuel system, most families will receive $10,000. If you're income eligible, you could receive up to $16,000. And for partial home installations, you can receive $1,250 per ton of heating that's added to your home. The first step to claiming your heat pump rebate is to get a home assessment. A Mass Save service director will visit your home to conduct a whole house energy assessment at no cost to you. They will evaluate your home's energy use to determine where you might be wasting energy and what you can do to improve your home's energy efficiency. Then we use that information to design a ductless system that meets your needs. Once your installation is completed by a certified technician in the Mass Save heat pump installer network, such as N.E.T.R, you'll complete the rebate application and submit it along with your proof of purchase within 60 days, either online or by mail. N.E.T.R can help you with this paperwork. What about other financial incentives for ductless systems? The Inflation Reduction Act is separate from Mass Save and provides a tax credit for qualifying high-efficiency heat pumps. This program is called the Energy Efficient Home Improvement Credit and is available to people who earn less than 150% of the average income in their area. If approved, you could get a tax credit of up to $2,000 per ductless unit for a maximum of 4 units, or $8,000. With Mass Save rebates and tax credits, switching to ductless has never been more affordable. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get alerts whenever we upload new videos.